I don't know if you guys care about this or not, but I just felt like you might, so I just put out this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiana, and today I have my Christmas wish list for you guys. If you are new here, I am very much into sewing and fashion and crafting some things. So that is what the people want. That is what we're here for. So if you're not into sewing and crafting, you're gonna wanna skip over the first section of the video. So here are the categories that I'm going to be going through, starting with sewing. So if you don't like some of these categories, skip right over them. And then I will also be linking all of the products that I'm able to find down below, just so it's super easy for you guys. So, starting right off with sewing, my favorite category, of course. My first thing, the thing I want most, if I could have this year, which I will probably buy myself, are the Fashionary books. There are 3 books in particular by them that I really want. They have a new Textilepedia, they have a Fashionpedia, and then lastly their Fashion Business Manual. First of all, these books are gorgeous. Hi, look at these books. They are gorgeous. Like, I would love to just put them out on my coffee table. Not that my coffee table is cute. I've seen just a few of the pages, but from what I can see, oh my god, the book looks so informational. It looks so amazing, and that, oh, I just need these books. I need these books. Kind of going along with that, I have this already, but if you don't have a swatch kit, I would definitely recommend that you invest in a swatch kit. I got mine from Dharma Trading. It was more inexpensive there. You can get it at like Mood, which at Mood it's like $100, so. If you are not familiar with a lot of fabrics and what the fabrics feel like and the textures and the drape and the hand, a swatch kit is great to have, so you can just feel through those fabrics and then determine what fabric you want for your project, and then go online and find a fabric based off of that. Something big I would love to have is a new sewing machine. My favorite brand of sewing machines is Juki. I have a serger and a cover stitch by them, and it is amazing. I want a Juki home sewing machine. I used to want an industrial machine, but now I want a Juki home sewing machine, just because home sewing machines are so versatile. There are so many different stitches, so many different things you can do with a home sewing machine. Jukis are a bit expensive, so if you're a beginner and you want a good sewing machine recommendation, I will link some of those below. I would love a press board, not an ironing board. It's like one of those rectangular press boards that you can put on a tabletop and then press over that, just because I like the grid that's on it. It would help me be a little bit more precise. And then going along with that, I would love a mini iron. Oh my god, mini irons are so cute. They're on like the little end of a little stick. There's like a little iron head on it, and they're so cute. I think they'd be great for if you're doing something really complicated with a lot of seams. You don't want to accidentally press part of the garment, but you want to press another part of the garment. I would love a mini iron to just get all up in there. I really want a small rotary cutter. I have a really big rotary cutter that is not ideal for pattern cutting. So for pattern cutting, you want a smaller rotary cutter, a smaller diameter. And then I also really want a really tiny rotary cutter with like an inch diameter or less, just to really get into those curves of the pattern. I also would like some fabric table shears, the ones that have that kind of L shape, so that when you're cutting your pattern off of a table, it doesn't move and skew the pattern at all. And then also embroidery scissors. You could get like thread clippers, but I prefer embroidery scissors, so I would want some new ones of those. I think something that's a really easy gift to give or receive are digital patterns. So if like you live in North Carolina and your grandparent lives in New Hampshire and you want some new sewing patterns that you found on Etsy, it's really easy to just send the link over to them, and then they can buy it for you and send you the digital files. Etsy is great to find patterns. There are a ton of patterns on Etsy. I have some. Check those ones out. You'll not be disappointed, or you might be. I hope not though. And then lastly in this category, a game changer for me was when I got a printer, my own printer. I think printers are just amazing if you are a creative person and you're always printing things and you want to print photos and make vision boards or whatever. I also have photo paper, so a printer and photo paper and maybe ink would be a great Christmas package there. If you guys have not seen my video on my favorite sewing supplies yet, definitely go and check that out, because that can give you more ideas for sewing supplies that you could ask for Christmas. Okay, so those are my sewing crafting items. Next up, we have fashion. I don't have a lot in this category because if I want something bad enough, I could just make it, and you could too. But something I really want is silky pajamas, like a silky pajama set, maybe in an ivory color. Ooh, I would love if I could get a matching set with my boyfriend. I'll force him to wear a matching silky pajama set with me. That'd be really cute. I don't really wear clothes anymore unless I'm I mean, like, I wear clothes. I don't wear like nice clothes is what I mean to say. I don't really wear nice clothes unless I'm filming. So just like loungewear sets. They have some really cute comfy ones on like, what, Where can you buy those? Princess Polly? Can you buy those there? I've never bought anything from Princess Polly. Pretty Little Thing. That would be a good one. Yeah, loungewear sets. I would like a loungewear set. A cute one, a comfy one. Because I never go out because we're in a pandemic and I like saving people's lives. Next up, it is about to be winter soon, one day, allegedly. Global warming though, so who knows? I have a overcoat that I bought myself a few years ago. Best fashion purchase I think I've ever made in my entire life was a warm winter wool overcoat. The bombers, the puff jackets, they are not gonna get you through the snow. They look cute, but a nice wool coat. Wool is a great insulator of heat. A nice wool coat is going to get you through the winter and keep you warm, and it's going to last you 5, 10, 15 years. I would love a pink overcoat. Ooh, that would be cute. Pink overcoat. Lastly in fashion would be some fashionable face masks, but not just any face masks. No. How cute would it be if you and your best friend got matching custom face masks? I know I personally sell some custom face masks, some silky face masks that have like custom rhinestones. So like I could get a K on my face and then my best friend could get, I don't have a best friend. My boyfriend is my best friend. He could get a C in this pink rhinestone face mask, whatever color you want. But like, no, it doesn't have to be for me. I'm not trying to like just shout out myself, but how cute would it be if you got you and your best friend like matching custom face masks to wear around? It's like the new best friend necklace, I feel like. Could be the new trend. For beauty and skincare, I really want to try the Kosas makeup brand. I don't know how to say it, Kosas. I'm sure you know the brand, but they have like clean ingredients and makeup that's actually good for your skin. And then I really want to try out the brand The Ordinary, you know, that brand that everyone's talking about right now. Hold on, let me look it up right now. They're all named some crazy things. It's like niacinamide 10%, AHA 30%, BHA 2%. I don't know what any of these things mean, and that scares the crap out of me, but it also makes me want it more. My favorite eyeshadow palette right now is the Maddie Ziegler Morphe palette. First of all, I love Maddie Ziegler. She's 18 and killing it in life. And the palette has like great neutrals, great pink shades, and then great bright colors. It was like 20 bucks or 15 bucks after I used a coupon, so hello, inexpensive. If you know me, you know that I recently changed my hair. I used to have beautiful long blonde platinum hair, which I now no longer have because it was falling out. So I think it would be fun to get some wigs. Even if I bought like a bunch of cheap synthetic wigs to just take Instagram pics in or do TikToks in, just so I can feel good about myself and like just like feel myself, you know, in different color wigs. I think that would be really fun. I don't know if I could do it now for my hair, but if you have long hair rollers, I really wanted hair rollers before I cut my hair, heated or the ones that aren't heated, just to set your hair to give yourself like that at-home blowout look. They're so pretty. I think hair done with hair rollers, like the big hair rollers, is gorgeous. So, and then lastly for beauty, I want that Revlon hair dryer brush that everyone has been using. It's like a hairbrush shape, but it like blow dries your hair as you brush through it. I think it would just make blow drying your hair so much fun. For tech, everyone has Casetify phone cases and like what is it? Wild Fox? Wild Fox, Wildflower, Wild Fox. I don't know. Those are so pricey for me personally, but usually I always get Sonic's phone cases. They are just as cute. Sonic's is so cute. SONIX. I also like getting my phone cases from Society 6 because they have endless amounts of designs, and they also have different types of phone cases. I love wearing blue light glasses. I wear them every single day whenever I'm doing work. I have like 6 pairs. I love blue light glasses. I think they're so cute and they actually help you. Most of mine are from the brand Sojo's, and I actually do have a code for you guys. It's 23 Kiana if you want to use my code for 15% off. But they have a lot of different styles, a lot of different colors, and they are pretty inexpensive, especially with my code. If you are into vlogging, I don't vlog currently, but I would love to start vlogging once I upgrade my phone. But I would like a selfie stick, and not just any selfie stick, a selfie stick with a stabilizer, so if I'm moving the camera everywhere, I don't have to worry about the footage being good or not. Lastly for tech is a ring light. If you want are a TikTok, Instagram creator, anything like that, or if you just want to like up your game in selfies, a ring light. My last category is random things. I only have a few. The first one is an air fryer. Oh my gosh, I want an air fryer. I don't even cook that much, but I would just like to make fried chicken and rice, which, oh, I do have a rice cooker. My rice cooker is amazing. It's super cheap and it's non-stick and it's small and it's tiny. It's amazing. So rice cookers, amazing. And then I want an air fryer. I've always wanted a floor mirror. I don't have a floor mirror. I feel like I should have this at this point because I sew something new like every single day. And then I have to look in my tiny little like Target door mirror to see like me in like gowns that I've made, and I can't see the whole dress. So I would love a floor mirror. I think that's something I need to definitely get myself because I can't even see what I'm creating. Some cool kind of like wine glasses or mugs would be great. They have really cute wine glasses for cheap at like Target. I want just plain wine glasses. I am of legal age, so I can drink wine, but I probably would not even use the glasses for wine that much. I think I would use it for water. I've been doing this thing where I've been drinking water in martini glasses because I feel fancy. And then lastly, this is great for everyone, card games. So we are in a pandemic. I don't know if you knew, but we are not supposed to be out partying. And you know, it's a great thing if you live with roommates or whatever. How fun to just play a different card game every night. Pretty fun. Pretty fun. I think that's everything. Make sure you check down below in the description because I did link as many products as I could find. Comment down below and tell me what your top 3 Christmas wish list items are, or your top 3 gifts that you're going to be giving this year, especially if it's related to sewing, but even if it's not, because I just want to hear what you guys are asking for or giving because it'll give me ideas as well. Feel free to like this video. It's the easiest way to help support your favorite creators for free. Subscribe if you wanna. Check out my Instagram and TikTok. My username is Kiana Bonolo. Oh, I hope you guys have like a Merry Christmas in like a month and a half from now. But yeah, I think that's everything for today. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.